Hey everybody, this is Karrie Benoit-Morales and welcome to kbLIVEstyle. This is my first month as a YouTuber. Yeah, all the way live, kbLIVEstyle. kbLIVE, all the way live. And I'm so excited to be a YouTuber. I'm so excited to have wrapped up my first month, January 2018, and I want to welcome my second month, February 2018, out with the old and with the new. So these are the things that I've learned from being a YouTuber for just 1 month. I'm just a month old, just a little baby. And that's okay. It's been a really fun journey to learn more about myself, to learn more about the world of YouTube, to learn more about editing and filming and photography and lighting and sound. There is so much to learn and there's so much to do. And I feel like I've done a lot for only having a YouTube channel and YouTubing for a month. There are a lot of pros and cons, and I think most of the positive things that I've learned was to have fun with it. I think that's the advice from most everyone on YouTube when they say, hey, when you're starting a YouTube channel, just make sure you love what you're doing and you have fun with it. And for the most part, I really do love this. I love being a creative person. I am a singer and I am a creative producer of sorts. And I think because I've done so many different genres as a singer. I mean, I'm currently a background singer for Smokey Robinson, but I've done so much with my writing and singing for other people and productions, in studio, on stage. It's a lot. And so to be able to make my own channel has been a dream come true. And so I want to thank my husband. Thank you, honey. Thank you for letting me do my dream and letting me invest in this. And YouTube is an investment. Starting YouTube, I really had to think about what I want to do. How do I want to build it? It's not completely clear, but I'm excited. I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for my family and friends for, I don't know, some of you are having pity on me. You're like, let me just subscribe. And some of you have been so beautiful. Just this past week, I was a little overwhelmed because I worked really hard on my last video and I was asking for feedback. And one of you, Misty Bell, you gave me some great feedback, and that was so encouraging because I worked really hard on that episode. And another one of you, Liz Prowell, gave me some feedback on the messenger. You sent me a message saying, hey, I look forward to your next video, and that last video was very helpful. And that really it really helps to propel me to move forward. Not that I wanted to give up YouTubing, but I think my expectations for myself are way up here and then reality is like here. So I can tend to be hard on myself, and I know that it's more important to have fun. And overall, I'm having fun. But I did make a video about some of the things that I don't like. So I'm going to play it for you right now. Well, I'm tired. I think we're talking about pros and cons, right? Yeah, so I'm here to talk about the cons. It's tiring to edit. This is editing software right here. Well, it's in here, but it's on here. Because I'm a singer, I have equipment already, like the big speakers. My daughter's in the background. So I usually have to wait till nighttime to work because there's noise in my house. And that's what happens when you're a parent. So I'll stay up till like 3 in the morning sometimes editing. And you got to set up your space. So I have lighting and the backdrop, because that's my closet, so I've got to roll it up and roll it out. More lighting, the camera. I use the Canon. So, yeah, it's a lot of work. And pros and cons. So I'm talking about the cons. So it's a lot of work on top of whatever work I have. And still yet to build my community. So I'm so thankful for the people who actually watch these videos and make a comment or subscribe or, you know, encourage me along the way. At this point, I have 42 subscribers, and it's my first month. So the con is I don't really know what I'm doing to grow the channel. And I still have insecurities about, you know, how I feel with my topics. But my topics really need to go along with my life. Like, I really needed to declutter my house, so that's why I went with that topic. Because I might as well film stuff I have to do anyway. So I think those would be the cons for now. Just jumping in, trying to maintain a time frame of uploading video content on Mondays and Thursdays. That's been nearly impossible. I started the month, my very first video came out great. But the next video that was due, I literally got the stomach virus. And yeah, that took me out. And I've kind of been trying to play catch up since then, you know, because I travel for my work and I have a daughter and I don't want to ignore my child. So it is a balancing act that I am not great at right now. But this is the first month, you know, so the benefits outweigh the cons at the moment because I love to create. So you really need to love being a creative person if you're gonna jump into this. That's what I would say, because it's not very rewarding. It's kind of painful in the beginning, but don't despise the day of small beginnings. It's worth it. Another thing I wanted to say was that the amount of prep work to get it all together is quite a lot, depending upon how professional you want your YouTube page to look. My kid's in the background making fart sounds. Yay! A mask I'm using right now is Origins. It's the Rose Clay mask. It's a retexturizing mask. It's really great. Not a beauty guru, but just let you know. As you can see in that video, I had no makeup on. I was just vlogging real. It's all real. I'm not a vain person. I'm a people pleaser. I want to make people entertain people. I want to make them happy and smile and feel entertained and feel like they learned something or feel like they can take something away from their experience. And so I will do my makeup. I'll do my hair. I have fun with it. I like to dress up. I like to perform. But I'm not so vain that I can't be the real. Like, I woke up like this. Like, this is how I woke up. You know, and I think that's important. I wanted to put that on my channel too, just so you as the audience can see that I'm a real person. I'm a mom, and I don't have the luxury of doing this all day, but I do have the time to carve out and really focus. And so I'm excited. I'm excited to focus on January. I'm excited that January is over. We did the kickoff video, which was the happy birthday to my channel video. We did the Erykah Badu cover song. You should watch it. I really like it. I'm proud of my vocal skills. I was singing live. I just added backgrounds after the fact. And my third video was about why I chose to join YouTube And I finally learned how to make those good, I finally learned how to make the thumbnail pics. So that was exciting. That was something that I learned third week in. And my fourth video was about Frozen, decluttering. It was trying to do a parody of why you should declutter your house with the Frozen soundtrack. And my fifth video was about how to actually declutter using the space method. So I got a little bit more savvy with my technical skills. And then my sixth video, which was the last video, was how to declutter heart, mind, and soul. And so I used way more editing software and almost went cross-eyed trying to do all that. And so I think on this video, I'm just going to slow down and say, hey, that was a good month, the month of January. My original goal was to try to put out a video every Monday and Thursday. I didn't hit that goal, but I think a good 6 videos out of the month of January, I think that was great. And so this is video number 7, and goodbye to the month of January, and hello to the month of February. Okay, are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! KB Live, all the way live. KB Lifestyle. It's February. This is the way to celebrate the month of love. What? KB Lifestyle, all the way live.